Hey, it's Mike. It looks like there's a new stock we need to add to the channel here, and it is Aurora Cannabis. So, if you trade weed stocks, for lack of a better term, you probably know this company really well. I'm kind of new to this stock, and I've purposely avoided talking about cannabis stocks on my channel just because I feel like a lot of them are so speculative, and there are not that many states that have legalized the production and selling of weed in the United States for recreational use until really the election. And that's the main driver right now because Aurora Cannabis is up over 80% today. And the big move in Aurora really started around with the election because this was a penny stock really about 3 or 4 days ago. I mean, there's the 5-day chart. So really here was the election and we didn't know what was going to happen. And then it looks like Biden was going to win, and it just starts taking off. And it looks like Biden may have it all locked up. So now Aurora Cannabis is up 85%. So what do we want to do with this stock here? Well, the first thing you want to do is just wait for it to come down a little bit. I think there's going to be some uncertainty. There's a lot of lawsuits that Trump is launching, and Trump could opt to encourage the Republican Party to have state legislators send their own electors up to Washington, which could muddy up the certification process for president. So if Aurora Cannabis's fortunes are based on who's in the White House, you really got to make sure that it's Biden who's going to win, or else this stock will come crashing back down to penny stock territory. So you just got to be careful with that. But I would definitely keep it on your radar. It's going to be on my radar. But like I said, I like to see it pull back to maybe around 10 or something. Just wait for the people who are going to be making a quick profit on it. Wait for them to sell. Wait for this to come back down and then get back into it, because this company does look like it's a leader in cannabis production. It's based in Canada, more specifically Edmonton. They have 8 licensed production facilities, and they operate in 25 countries. So I'm on their investor relations site. In Q4 of 2020, they produced over 44,000 kilograms of cannabis, and their cash cost of 9 cents. That's pretty good. Their three-year net revenue, 144%, the gross margin on net revenue, 50%. So they've got some really good numbers here. And obviously, if the United States moves to a point where, weed's going to be legalized in every 50 states, or the majority of states for recreational use, a company like Aurora Cannabis becomes your next, like what Marlboro or Philip Morris was in the 20th century. It just becomes this huge company. I still need to do a little more research on Aurora Cannabis, to be honest, but I am going to watch this stock and do more videos on it as soon as I become more educated on it. But like I said, I just want to put out this video saying now that because of what's been going on with the election, because of this pop in this stock, you definitely want to put it on your radar. But like I said, wait for it to pull back a little bit. Don't jump in it right now. But I'll keep you updated if I get any news. As far as a lot of it's going to ride on the election being finalized and certified, and just various legislations in U.S. states. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like the video, then go ahead, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you could get updates on Aurora Cannabis as well as other hot stocks out there. Okay, thanks. Bye.